dusty back road stood a little radio store. Promised golden signals and folks getting warned. The sign was hanging sideways, the coffee pot was full of mold. Every wild tall tale somehow got bigger every toe. Oh, the epic fail, Kevin C.B. shop. What a sight to see. Kevin's little PP mod only swings from a tree. Turn the knob, cross your fingers, hope it all works out. Oh, Kevin. Sometimes all you'd hear was a squeal and a pop, but never a shout. One radio talked to tractors, another to the moon. One played polka music every afternoon. The test bench kept on buzzing, the solder smoked away. Everybody laughed and said, Kevin, no, not today. When a real old radio tech came walking through the door, checked every circuit carefully like he'd done before. Oh, the epic fail, Kevin C.B. shop. What a sight to see. Kevin's little PP mod only swings from a tree. Turn the knob, cross your fingers, hope it all works out. Oh, Kevin. Sometimes all you'd hear was a squeal and a pop, but never a shout. No shortcuts, just patience with knowledge and skill. That's how broken radios climb the biggest hill. So here's your honest workmanship and fixing things right. Everyone calls DX Radio Shop morning, noon, and night. Oh, the epic fail, Kevin C.B. shop. What a sight to see. Kevin's little PP mod only swings from a tree.